Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how you can turn on your Raspberry Pi to a printer server. What you need is an old printer and you can turn it into a network printer. Have fun. First of all, I connect to my Raspberry Pi. I'm already connected here, and I switch to the root user, and then I have to do an apt update to get the newest resources for my Raspberry, and then I install cupsd, which is the normal printer environment for Linux. With the command apt install cupsd. This needs a little bit of time, so I will use this time to show you a very good web page where you can find printer drivers. It's called www.openprinting.org printers, and yeah, it's a little bit small, so I increase it a little bit. Here I'm on printers, and I have a brother printer, and I can set here the manufacturer, and my model is an HL 2240. And then I click on show this printer, and here I can click on directly download PDD, and I already have it downloaded. And yeah, let's see how it works then. The installation is in the last step, I think. Okay, he has finished. I clear the screen, and now I add my user. The command is called usermod. I add my user to a specific admin group for printer. The group is called lpadmin. My user is this one, and now I'm in this group. I can check it with this command, and as you can see, I am in the group now. Then I want to ensure that I can print from wherever I am, so I add this command, cupsctl remote any, and then I restart the cupsd service with this command, systemctl restart cupsd. Okay, my system has restarted the cupsd service, and now I can start my my cupsd web page. We have checked the IP address, this one, and now I connect with HTTP on this address. I need the port 631 with HTTP. This is a normal starting point, and here I can go on administration, manage printers, and I see the printers that I already have in my network. These are shared printers. But I want to create a local printer on my Raspberry Pi, with this IP address. So I click on administration and click on add printer. And now I'm connected to the HTTPS website, and I have logged already in. My credentials are stored here in the browser. You will be asked for username and password. And this is the same username and password you use for your Raspberry Pi to log in. That's why I inserted my user in the group lpadmin. This user who is in this group, he can log in and add the printer then. So I click again add printer, and now if your printer is successfully connected to your Raspberry Pi, it then should show up your printer here as a local printer. This is your local printer. And now I can click on it and say continue. Now I can give it a name. I call it demo, so I can make a difference to the already existing one. I choose the location demo, and I want to be able to print for my Mac here, for example. So I share this printer of on, continue, and now on the new page I have the possibility to choose the ppd file, and this is another printer in the network. I don't want to select this one. Here I choose the ppd file which I downloaded earlier. Click on browse, and here I can choose my pdd file which I downloaded some minutes before. I click open and set add printer. Now I can go to the site, to the page set printer options. I changed this to A4 economy mode. I set it to high, so I save whatever it is. I don't know the English word for it now. Media source automatic, this is fine for me. Set default options. And now if everything works fine, I could print the page. But one point I don't like too much is that it shows here it's not shared. So if this happens, then the default configuration of the cups service is not like I want to. So I go to the cups configuration. It's located here in the etc cups directory, and I open in this directory the file cupsd.conf with the editor, and then I search for the line browse, and here you can see the line browsing is set to no. I change it to yes, and now I restart the cups service. The systemctl restart cups, I don't know, sorry for my pronunciation. And now I refresh this site, and as you can see now it is shared. And now I can open up on my Mac the printing scanner settings page, and here you can see two network printers I already have added, and then I can add my new printer. And if everything worked, you should see the new printer here. This is the new printer we just created. I click add, and then it was added. Now I can here open a little text file with Noto, for example. I already opened it. And just for the demo, I call here the command date, copy this from the terminal, put it in here. I can set the, yeah, it doesn't matter too much. I now print it out here. I go to the print menu, choose the new printer and print it out. And here I can go to the job page, to the show all jobs, or no, show completed jobs. And it says completed at 4:14. No, wait a minute. Yeah, sorry for the trouble with my webcam. I use my Nikon photo camera, but I don't know why I tried to configure it, but it shut off after some minutes. Yeah, and I just print out successfully my paper here, and you can see this is a white right string that I wanted to print. Yeah, I hope you enjoy my screencast, and some of you will help that, and give me a thumb up, subscribe my channel, whatever. Have a nice day. Maybe we see us later again. Bye bye.